Welcome to the tutorial, making drum and bass today from scratch. Right guys, so if you haven't already, samples I'm going to be using are in the link below, and as you can see I've got my project already set up into group. So we're going to jump into this one here. I'm going to find a kick from the sample packs, and then we're just going to put the standard kick pattern in, make sure we're at about 170, and then if you just come in here, just align this up to the transient. I'll just put that little tail there reversing into it. Let's have a listen. So Command and J. So Command and T will create another one. Just group the kick and the snare there for later. Kick snare. Turn this clip off. Cool, and group that. Sorry, join it up and repeat it. Hi-hat, just a standard hi-hat pattern. Just to counterbalance it, so it goes 1, 2, 3. Let's have a listen. So this is on the group now. I'm just going to whack a clipper on there. Contains the peaks. Get it nice and solid. Reduce this. I'm going to round it off at 15k. Maybe 14. So we just add that break to it. Pitched it up a little bit, and then if I group these hats, and I'm going to whack the transient shaper on here, but I'm going to do a reverse, soften it up and lengthen it. Copy this to the kick snare. We've got the opposite, we're going to sharpen it and shorten it, okay? Let's go for an open hat as well. It's a bit like a ride cymbal. Remember, this is to slacken it off just by a few milliseconds, which allows the transient to hit just slightly different times. We can try an amp. And then I'm just going to whack an EQ on it at the end. Cool, then you can do the mid side, which just, if you click here, just EQing the sides now. So you can maybe cut it a bit. I'm going to try a little drum fill, bit of more realness in there. First of all, we're going to try a saw bend, okay? What you're going to do is add a bit of saturation to start it off, bit of excitement. And come into here, you've got the unison at 2. Quite detuned. And make a ramp like this. Click envelope, turn it off BPM. Then go to the matrix. I'm going global master tune. Leave that there if you want. And you want it quite slow like that. And then let's try rag it on the drive. Nice and release. Bit of FM, so we'll get another sine wave to 12 or 24. EQ'd most of that out.